Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Low End Gamer. Today our video is about how to record phone screen without recorder with no lag in PC. All we need is just a laptop. This is very much useful for 2GB and 3GB RAM phones. Let's see. So first of all, open your browser, then search for SCRCPY. Download for Windows 7 because my PC is Windows 7. Open the first link nsoftonic.com. Click on the free download option. No thanks, continue to download SCRCPY because if we click free download, Opera browser will also be installed. Then scroll down, click here free download for PC. Wait for a while, it will be downloaded. Click on save file. Okay, it's a WinRAR zip. Let it download. Now go to home and open my computer. Then go to local disk and then create a new folder. Name it as SCRCPY. Then open the downloaded WinRAR zip file. Click here extract to the SCRCPY folder we created in the local disk. Yeah, here we can choose the created folder in local disk. SCRCPY. Click on OK. It is extracting. Wait for a while. Now close all of these windows and open the SCRCPY file. Then click once on SCRCPY because the application will be loaded. Do it twice or thrice. Then click on the ABD file once. Again open SCRCPY. Then connect your mobile USB through charger. In phone, open your about phone and click on the build number 5 times to make you as a developer. Once you are made a developer, go to developer options and click on USB debugging. Click OK. Now the final moment, click on SCRCPY. It will be loaded and our mobile screen is game. So let's try it. We can also operate our phone through the PC mouse. I opened Free Fire. Let's see what will happen. The graphics quality will also be changed. It's loading. We can operate our phone through PC also. This is the PC interface. It is lagging because my phone is a low-end mobile. Here is the game interface. We can see that it is clear without lag. In this way, we can record our game screen without a mobile screen recorder lag free. So please subscribe to our channel.